How do I troubleshoot my TV if it won't respond to pressing OK on the remote or TV itself?
Welcome, viewers. In today's guide, we are going to walk you through a comprehensive set of steps that you can take to troubleshoot your TV if it's not responding to the OK button on the remote or the TV itself.
Is your remote working properly?
The first thing you need to confirm is if your remote control is functioning correctly. An easy way to check this is to use the remote control on another device, if compatible. If it doesn't work, it might be the problem. Replace the batteries with a fresh set to ensure that the issue isn't just a case of dead batteries. If your remote is still not working after replacing the batteries, then it might be faulty.
Is the TV's OK button functioning?
Now, if the remote seems fine, let's focus on your TV's OK button. Try pressing the other buttons on your TV to see if they're responding. If the other buttons work and only the OK button is unresponsive, there might be a problem with the button itself.
Are there any system glitches?
System glitches can occasionally cause unresponsive behavior in TVs. If this is the case, rebooting the TV often helps. Unplug your TV from the power source, wait a minute, then plug it back in. If your TV was experiencing a minor glitch, this should help resolve the issue.
Is there a firmware or software issue?
It's possible that a firmware or software update could fix your issue, especially if it has been a while since you updated your TV. Go to your TV settings, find the System Update or similar option, and see if there are any available updates.
Is it time for professional help?
If you've tried all the above steps and your TV is still unresponsive, it might be time to seek professional help. It could be a more serious hardware issue that requires a professional technician to fix. We hope this guide has been helpful in troubleshooting your TV's unresponsive behavior. Remember, don't be afraid to seek professional assistance if necessary. Happy viewing, and we hope your TV is back to its optimal performance soon.